Hello, here we have a question that we need to solve. It says this is a shape made of two right angle triangles, which are DCE, as you can see, and ABM, and also a rectangle. And we need to find the angles X and the angle Y. So as you see here, there's no information enough to find these two angles, so we have to use this triangle shape and the rectangle shape in order to have more information to find the two angles X and Y. Here, as you can see, you have this angle, which is 62, and you have the adjacent. So if you find AB, which is the opposite side to the angle 62, if you find AB, it's going to be equal to DC, okay? Because this is a rectangle shape, so AB should be equal to DC. And once you find DC, in addition to the hypotenuse that we know, which is 12 centimeter long, we can use this information to find the angles X and the angle Y. So let us start solving our question. Here you have the tan, as I said, of 62 degrees. This should be equal to AB divided by 5. So AB should be equal to 5 times tan of the angle 62. Now if you use your calculator, you're going to find that the tan of the angle 62 is equal to 1.88. So the answer would be AB will be equal to 9.4 centimeters. So AB is 9.4 centimeters, and 9.4 centimeters is the length of the side DC. So now we can use this information to find the angle X. Here we know the opposite of the angle X and we know the hypotenuse, so we can use the sine rule. So sine X will be equal to 9.4 divided by 12, which is almost 0.78, I guess. So you find the sine inverse now in for X on your calculator so that you can find the angle X. So sine inverse of the 0.78 equals to the angle X. So X will be equal to 52 degrees. Be careful here that your calculator should be always set up to the degrees, not the radian mode. Okay, so now we have the angle X 52 degrees, and we have here a right angle triangle which is 90 degrees, and as we know, the sum of the angles of a triangle adds up to 180. So the angle Y should be 180 minus 90 degrees minus 52, which is equal to 38 degrees. So as you see here, we used the tan rule, and we used the rectangle rules of finding AB, then DC. Also we used here the sine rule to find the sine inverse of 90.4 divided by 12. Using our calculators, we calculated the angle X to be 52, and at the end we used the triangle rule having a sum of 180 degrees. We found the angle Y, which was 38. So that's it for this question. Hope that you enjoyed it. Thank you.